What is Ethernet cable? Ever wondered what this cable is called? This is an Ethernet cable, and it gives you faster and more stable internet than Wi-Fi. An Ethernet cable is a network cable used to connect devices like computers, routers, gaming consoles, and smart TVs to the internet. How it works. It transfers data through a physical wired connection, helping reduce lag, buffering, and connection drops. Benefits. Ethernet is great for gaming, streaming, video calls, and downloading large files because it's faster and more reliable than wireless internet. Cable types. You may hear names like Cat5e, Cat6, or Cat7. These are different Ethernet cable types with different speed capabilities. So if you want the best internet performance, Ethernet is one of the easiest upgrades you can make.